Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I just got home from picking up a grocery order at Walmart. I do the curbside pickup, it's awesome. So I ordered all my groceries, I picked it up, and now I have them home. So I'm gonna share with you what I got for groceries this week and what we're gonna have for our meal plan for the week. I'm also gonna do a huge meal prep this weekend, so come back, check out that video. I'm gonna meal prep a ton of stuff to have ready, nice and healthy foods to have ready for the week. So this grocery haul video, it's in a collaboration with my friends Jessica and Tiffany. Jessica Myrose channel and Tiffany's is Small Town 6. So they are hosting this collaboration and we're all sharing our grocery hauls for the week. So I hope that you enjoy this one, and there's gonna be a playlist in the description box. So check it out and you can check out everybody's grocery hauls that they're doing. It'll be great, just so fun watching what people get for the week and all their groceries. So I'm gonna show you everything I got, and I'm also gonna share with you the meal plan that we're gonna use for this week. And like I said, stop back on Saturday morning. I'm gonna do a massive meal prep video for you guys. I'm gonna prep tons of stuff for the week, so come back and check that one out on Saturday. So I'm gonna show you everything I got in my Walmart pickup. So I got tons of stuff and lots of healthy foods for this week to have for the whole family. So I'll start over on this end, but we got tons of bananas. My family loves bananas. They eat them super quick. Lots of fruit this week. We love these little oranges. The boys love grapes. We got blueberries, strawberries, apples. They like red apples right now. They went through a phase where they really liked green apples. But apples with peanut butter is one of our favorite snacks. We got some avocados and some lemons back there. I'm going to use my lemons for my detox drink. I'm going to use the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add in this 100% cranberry juice. It's awesome. So I make a apple cider vinegar cranberry juice. It's great. So I always have to have in the pantry an extra syrup, and we have a big old pack of fruit snacks. Benjamin loves to have these for his snack break at school, so I put these and some other snacks in his backpack, but a little bag of fruit snacks, a big old box of oatmeal. They like to flavor the maple brown sugar. Got 2 things of almond milk and a big gallon jug of regular whole milk. The boys have been drinking a ton of milk lately, which is awesome. My husband likes the almond milk, and so we get the original unsweetened. We're going to make salmon one night this week. Actually, tonight we're going to have salmon, and I also got some asparagus. And for my meal prep, one of my lunch meal preps this week, I'm going to do a spaghetti squash. So here is my spaghetti squash. I love it. It is so awesome, just like spaghetti, but low carb, which we all love, of course. Broccoli, we have broccoli with dinner a lot with chicken. I got 2 packs of eggs. Eggs are so crazy expensive right now, but these were $7.52 per pack. So I decided to get 2 and stock up because last week they didn't have any eggs. So got 2 cartons, 2 18 packs. So this will last us a little bit, which is awesome, but the price of eggs is just insane. I have a pack of chicken. We do tons of chicken. This, my husband loves this. It's a dragon fruit energy water enhancer. So it comes in little packets, and he just puts it in his water bottle, and he puts it like in his lunchbox and adds it to his water bottle throughout the day. But it is a really good flavor. So stuff is delicious. We do tacos a ton, and the boys love these mini tortilla bowls. They are really fun. So like little bowls with tortilla. For the salmon that we're gonna have tonight, I use this island teriyaki sauce to cook it with. It's kind of sweet and gives it so much yummy flavor, and the boys love it. They just eat up salmon all the time, which is awesome. We got some tortilla chips. I love this cantina style. They're nice and like thin and super crispy, but really good. Definitely like a restaurant style, cantina style. Some pretzel sticks. The kids love pretzels. I got some natural peanut butter. I'm going to do some protein balls in my meal prep this weekend. Got a frozen pizza for a busy night. Some frozen meatballs is going to go into my spaghetti squash. Lunch prep, pancake on sticks. My kids, they eat a ton of these. I really don't get them all the time because they eat them so fast. And I try and make homemade ones as often as I can. But there's those. And then sweet potato fries. We love to make those in the air fryer. Here's the asparagus that we're going to have with the salmon. I have some lettuce. I'm going to make a mason jar salad, cheese, and then sandwich thins. My husband makes his sandwiches for his lunch on sandwich thins. Some snacks. The yogurt covered raisins are delicious. The whole family loves these. I got some cottage cheese. I am a huge fan of cottage cheese. Super high in protein, which is awesome. And it's just really good. I love having it as a snack. I got some Greek vanilla yogurt. I got these big tubs because it's just cheaper than getting the little individual little containers. So 2 of those, that should last us all week. A little bit of sour cream. I put this on when we have taco night. I do a keto crunch wrap, and so I use the sour cream for that. A couple canned things, lentils, corn, black beans. I always like to have lots of this in the pantry. And you guys, I found this. It is Hearts of Palm, and this is a linguine one, but it is supposed to be a low-carb alternative to pasta. So 4 carbs, 20 calories per serving. So I got this brand, and then I got the Walmart brand also, and this is in a little different shape. But I'm super excited to try these. I think I'm going to do a video for you guys, like a taste test, because I have never had either of these. It'll probably be a week or 2 before I get around to that video. But I am really excited to try these. Never heard of it, but it looks and sounds awesome, so we'll give it a shot. Have some more yogurt over here. The little ones, this one has blueberries on the bottom. But this is my grocery haul for the week. Dinners, we'll do salmon and asparagus. We'll do chicken with broccoli. We'll have taco night, pizza night. I'm going to do for my meal prep this weekend. I'm going to do an egg dish. I'm going to do some overnight oats. And then for lunch, I'm going to do the spaghetti squash. And I'm going to do a salad, mason jar salad. You guys know I love my mason jar salads. I'm also going to do some chicken marinades with this big old pack of chicken. And so I'll do a few different types of marinades that I'll show you guys. And I'm going to do protein balls with the peanut butter. And then I also am going to do my snack packs with all kinds of different snacks for the day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my grocery haul for the week. Don't forget to check back on Saturday and check out my meal prep video that I'm going to use all of this yummy, healthy food for. Also, don't forget to check out Jessica and Tiffany's channels. I will link them in the description box. They're going to have awesome hauls. I just know it because they have awesome channels. So hope that you have a really great rest of your week. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys all on my next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.